The transformation of Spotify Camp Nou is accelerating faster than ever, and today's update brings some of the biggest developments we've seen in weeks. The compression ring is entering its final stage. The south goal facade is now almost completely covered with its stunning ceramic panels. And inside the stadium, premium VIP areas are taking shape at an incredible pace. With major progress unfolding across both the interior and exterior, the project is moving one step closer to its final vision. So, let's jump straight into all the latest construction updates from Spotify Camp Nou. The compression ring continues making rapid progress as installation advances deeper into the Tribuna section. With the south goal now fully completed, crews are concentrating all efforts on the final remaining span of the ring. Several new steel box sections have recently been installed, bringing the structure closer to full completion. At the current pace, this major structural milestone is expected to be finished within the coming weeks, paving the way for the next phase of roof construction. Additional radial beams and support columns are already being prepared on site, allowing new steel sections to be lifted into place with minimal interruption. The south goal facade has undergone another dramatic transformation with ceramic lamella installation now covering almost the entire section in front of the mobility cores. Only a handful of panels remain to be fitted before this elevation reaches completion. The combination of beige and blaugrana-colored ceramic elements is already giving the stadium its distinctive architectural identity and offering a glimpse of the final exterior appearance. As more lamellas are connected together, the facade is beginning to display its unique light-reflecting effect, creating different shades depending on the viewing angle and natural lighting throughout the day. Installation of ceramic lamellas continues across the central curve of the south goal. While workers have completed large portions of the facade, crews are still preparing the remaining structural supports and walkways around the mobility cores before filling the last open sections. Once these preparations are complete, the remaining ceramic panels can be installed quickly to complete the continuous facade. Every newly completed section improves the stadium's visual symmetry, bringing the central curve closer to matching the finished appearance already visible across the south goal. The mobility cores continue progressing steadily as sandwich panel installation expands across their exterior. With most of the enclosure now in place, construction teams are focusing on the connecting platforms and structural framework that will eventually support the ceramic facade. These works represent the final preparation before the mobility cores receive their finished architectural cladding. As construction advances floor by floor, construction remains active around the exterior of the VIP ring, where workers continue preparing mounting points for future ceramic facade installation. Elevated work platforms can be seen operating across several sections, while structural adjustments and finishing work continue. This ongoing activity is gradually preparing the VIP level for its final exterior appearance. At the same time, crews are ensuring every support element is accurately aligned before the next phase of facade installation begins, helping maintain the precision required for the stadium's complex exterior design. The third tier continues moving toward completion as the area becomes increasingly organized and free of temporary construction materials. Much of the heavy structural work has now been completed, allowing crews to focus on finishing activities and removing temporary supports. The installation of lighting systems and other permanent elements further highlights the transition from structural construction to final fit-out. As more work shifts toward interior finishing, the upper seating bowl is beginning to resemble its completed form, with only detailed construction activities remaining across selected sections. Although installation of the retractable roof will begin during a later construction phase, preparations are already well underway. The near completion of the compression ring is creating the structural foundation required for future roof supports. As soon as the remaining ring sections are installed, work can begin on additional roof components that will support the stadium's iconic retractable canopy. This transition represents one of the most important milestones of the project, as construction gradually shifts from the main concrete and steel structure toward the stadium's signature roof system. The second level of the VIP ring is progressing rapidly as the future premium suites become clearly visible. Drywall partitions now define corridors, hospitality areas, and private boxes, allowing the final floor layout to emerge. Curtain wall glazing has largely been completed, while internal fit-out continues throughout the entire level, transforming the space into one of the stadium's most exclusive hospitality areas. Every week, additional rooms become recognizable as crews continue installing partitions, preparing utility connections, and completing the structural framework required before the final interior finishes are applied. Significant progress has also been made above the VIP level with the installation of rock wool acoustic insulation beneath the third tier. Large sections of the future suspended ceiling system are now in place, improving both sound insulation and thermal efficiency. These works are an important step toward completing the premium interior environment before final ceiling finishes are installed. The extensive insulation system will also enhance the overall spectator experience by reducing noise transfer while improving comfort throughout the hospitality areas. The second VIP ring has been designed to deliver a first-class hospitality experience. Construction beneath the second tier continues at a strong pace as crews install metal framing for future interior partitions. These structural frames will define restrooms, concession areas, commercial spaces, and other spectator facilities. With framing now visible across large sections, the interior layout of this level is beginning to take shape ahead of finishing works. The steady expansion of these internal spaces demonstrates that construction is progressing simultaneously across both the stadium's structural framework and its operational facilities. The mobility cores on the north goal continue advancing with sandwich panel installations steadily enclosing the structures. Several sections are already clad, while the remaining framework is being prepared for the next phase of exterior finishing. These works are bringing the north goal closer to matching the significant progress already achieved on the south goal. As more exterior panels are installed, the mobility cores are beginning to take on their final architectural appearance while supporting the next stages of facade construction. Preparation for ceramic facade installation continues across the north goal. Additional mounting brackets and structural supports are being installed while recently completed ceramic sections demonstrate the final architectural design. As more supports are completed, crews will continue expanding the ceramic facade across the remaining open areas. This gradual installation process ensures the facade maintains a consistent alignment and visual continuity, with the completed sections already visible on other sides of the stadium. The Tribuna has now become the primary focus of compression ring construction. New steel box sections continue to be lifted into position alongside prepared radial beams and support columns. Multiple lifting platforms remain active, allowing crews to install several structural elements in succession. With each new section completed, the stadium moves one step closer to finishing its full compression ring and entering the next phase of roof development. The coordinated pace of lifting operations clearly demonstrates that work has entered its final structural phase. With the remaining installations expected to continue progressing rapidly over the coming weeks,